This is LaDon Buff with Severna Sew and Vac, located at 550 Baltimore Annapolis Boulevard in Severna Park. Our phone number is 410-975-0058, and you can reach us online at www.sewvac.com. Today we're going to go over why you should buy your Miele vacuum cleaner from Severna Sew and Vac. We're a factory authorized warranty center. We service what we sell, and we have an obligation to protect our customers' investment. We have machines on display so you can compare using the 5 senses instead of looking at pictures and reading descriptions online. We have bags, belts, filters, attachments, and repair parts in stock to make sure you get what you need for your Miele and get authorized service to protect your warranty. We have exclusive models that have a longer warranty than the online models and box store models at no additional cost to you, giving you up to 5 times the comprehensive warranty and a free bonus with your purchase. So for no additional investment, you get 5 times the comprehensive warranty, a place to service your machine that is dedicated to protecting your purchase, a free bonus valued at $20 to $70 depending on the model you choose, a selection of models on display so you can see which models fit your needs without guessing. You can come visit us at 550 Baltimore Annapolis Boulevard in Severna Park. Our phone number is 410-975-0058. And you can reach us online at www.sewvac.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next video. Boom.